Today I'm live on YouTube for the new course launch. Uh, I hope everybody can see me and hear me. I'll just share the hi. I am going live on YouTube for the first time. Till now I was going live on only on Facebook, so I had no idea. I'll just open it from my other device and see whether I can see myself or not, whether I can hear properly or not. Um I don't know how do we check it. Facebook is so easy. Oh yeah, I can see people. Hi, hi, hi. Um, Let me just connect and there's no 5G today. I don't know for what reason. Where do we get the live list? Yeah, I've got it. I'm in. Yes, I can see. Okay, all right. Great. Finally, I'm the YouTube generation. Okay. So, um, ऐसा हो सकता है कि मैं बैठूं और कुछ भूलूं ना. So I forgot the mobile stand. So how can I put it? I'll just put it over here because I just have to see whether I'm there in the frame or not. So guys, hi, hello and welcome to my video library. This is me Poonam from Paint and Clay Studio, and today I'm in front of you all on YouTube live for the first time in my life. Till now we were on Facebook all the time, and now I'm going on YouTube. Facebook has some policy change that they delete the videos after 30 days. Downloading and uploading the video actually degrade the video quality. So I am just trying my hands on YouTube. If this works perfect, or else we have Instagram. so so yeah. Hello everyone. I can see a few people joining in. I would request more people to join in, and then we will do our course launch. Sorry, it's very hot. I made again. I forgot my band also. Anyways, so yes, today's course is all about flowers. We are launching a flower course today. First of all, before starting the live session, I would request you all to please support Team India. Team India is in the World Cup final today. We have a match against New Zealand today, and let's see what happens. It's a game. We wish our team all the best, and then it's God's wish. So yes, we wish for the success everywhere. And secondly, it's Women's Day. So happy Women's Day. All the women around the globe, whoever is watching, whoever not, everybody, happy Women's Day from me, from Paint and Clay family. And I would like to wish happy Women's Day to the men who support their women to grow further, like mine. So yes, so today is a very special day. Mm, so yeah, this was the greetings, and now we are coming on the course. अब हम अपनी कोर्स की बात करते हैं. कोर्स से पहले, सॉरी आई फॉरगॉट, कोर्स से पहले मैं आप सबको बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैं, आपको याद है मैंने 2021 में 7 डे मैराथन रखा था. अभी कुछ दिन पहले आई जस्ट स्क्रॉल अक्रॉस and somebody approached me that people keep on asking कि ऐसा कुछ करो वापस से, but time ही नहीं मिलता है ना. So I thought I will start with the marathon challenge again. It was a contest wherein we learn different stuff, easy things, and then we run a contest, and whomsoever is the winner, we gift them good goodies and other stuff. So एक और मैराथन होने वाला है इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल. सो अपनी पेटियाँ कस लें कुर्सी की, और हम बहुत अच्छा ये मैराथन करने वाले हैं. आई हैव चोजन सम ब्यूटिफुल प्रोजेक्ट्स विच आई एम गोइंग टू teach you guys in the marathon contest, and April पूरा रहेगा आपके पास. May में I will declare the winners along with a new course. So I'll give you a gap. ये जो कोर्स आज मैं लॉन्च कर रही हूँ इसके ऊपर भी कॉन्टेस्ट है. सो आप अगर मुझे ये कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, आई विल टीच अनदर 2 अरेंजमेंट्स रिलेटेड टू द कोर्स ओनली एज अ गिफ्ट. सो वो क्या है वो मैं नहीं बताऊंगी, दैट्स अ सरप्राइज़. बट जैसे कि हमने जिरेनियम में जिरेनियम कोर्स जब लॉन्च किया था 2 साल पहले, आई एम नॉट श्योर, तब हमने एक कॉन्टेस्ट रन किया था जिसमें कि हमने उसने जो भी मुझे जिरेनियम का एक अरेंजमेंट बना के बताएगा मैं उसको एक ट्यूटोरियल गिफ्ट करूँगी. एंड पीपल हैव लर्नड द हैंगिंग द क्रीपर जिरेनियम्स इन दैट वाज द प्राइज़. नाउ इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द कोर्स, बट एट दैट टाइम इट वाज द प्राइज़ एंड मैनी पीपल हैव पार्टिसिपेटेड. तो इस बार भी मैं इस कोर्स के साथ एक कॉन्टेस्ट लेकर आ रही हूँ. आप सबको उस कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करना है ताकि आप ये 2 और एक्स्ट्रा अरेंजमेंट्स सीख सकें. सो इट्स टुडेज लॉन्च विल बी अ सेट ऑफ 3 डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट्स, बट आज मैं आपको एक ही दिखाऊंगी और वो बाकी के 2 अरेंजमेंट आपको उन लोगों को मिलेंगे जो कॉन्टेस्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे. आई होप आई एम क्लियर. सो दिस इज़ द थिंग. और अब हम आते हैं फाइनली अपने कोर्स के ऊपर. So this course took me a lot of time to design. और पहले मैं इस कोर्स के साथ ये पीछे जो आप वैंडा फ्लावर्स देख रहे हैं, this and the yellow one, this was the part of this course before I planned, because I have this habit of, after I have done the floral designing from my college, we have the habit of visualizing the arrangement और पूरा color palette, the color chart, the flowers, the alternatives, the substitutes, the fillers, the foliage, everything I have to think in my mind and then only I can sit for the arrangements. तो जब मैं ये फ्लावर्स अरेंजमेंट बना रही थी, ये वाला कोर्स जो मैं आज लॉन्च करने वाली हूँ, एट दैट टाइम दिस वैंडा फ्लावर वाज द पार्ट ऑफ दैट कोर्स, वाज अ ब्यूटिफुल पार्ट ऑफ दैट कोर्स, एंड आई वांटेड टू ऐड दोज वैंडा फ्लावर्स इनटू दैट. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं नहीं बना पाई. माई चिल्ड्रन, माई डॉटर इज़ इन 10th एंड माई सन इज़ इन 12th. सो आई एम राइटिंग बोर्ड्स. they are writing, not writing, I don't know, but mere boards chalu hai. So I could not have any time to spare to make more flowers, and this kind of arrangement needs a lot of flowers, though I have done a lot of here also, but uske liye mujhe 3 times more banane padte the. So I could not do it, so I launched the Vanda flower just like that only as a separate course, which all of you guys have shown a lot of interest in the course. Many people have taken it. I'm overwhelmed, enjoyed. So yeah, this was a separate course, and now we are going to have the replacement. We always have substitute. हमारे पास फूलों की कोई कमी नहीं है. We have a vast palette for flora and fauna. So I took the second option and made the arrangement. सो एक और बहुत अच्छी बात जो मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ, मेरे जितने भी कोर्सेज़ हैं आप देखेंगे मैं फ्लावर्स को रिपीट नहीं करती हूँ. देर आर वेरी फ्यू चांसेस वेयर यू सी एनी फ्लावर आई हैव रिपीटेड, बिकॉज वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वैरायटी. आई डोंट वांट माय स्टूडेंट्स टू कम एंड से कि ये तो हमने सीखा हुआ है, इसमें क्या है नया सीखने वाला. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट रोजेज, बिकॉज रोजेज हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वैरायटी, दे आर वास्ट स्पीसीज. But at the same time you have a lot of arrangement which looks good with roses. Roses are, you know, they are the ultimate flower. Anywhere you can fit in roses, anywhere, any arrangement will look good with roses. So you don't have to think about complementing the arrangement with roses. Roses goes with everything. You have hundreds of varieties of color variations also into it. So कोई tension वाली बात नहीं है roses के साथ, and it's the perfect fit for any kind of arrangement. So roses also I try to do something new. जैसे कि हमने fall arrangement पिछले साल बनाया था 23, I think 20, yeah 24 we have made that dahlia and forgot. देन उसके पहले हमने सनफ्लावर्स बनाए थे. सो आई ट्राई डालिया वाले अरेंजमेंट में, बिकॉज द रोजेज वर रेपिटेटिव एंड आई वांटेड टू हैव सम राउंड फ्लावर विच हैज़ मास एंड मल्टीपल पेटल्स in the center which could fill the space. So I thought instead of normal rose, yellow rose or orange rose, let's do something different where people could learn something new. So I opted cherry brandy rose which had double sides. Here it is. Finally, I have something on my table. So this was the cherry brandy rose, which you can see the petals are red from the back and front it is yellow. and they are not painted, they're totally made out of clay. So this was the cherry brandy rose which I wanted. So I want to teach something which, you know, people could feel that yeah, we have learned something different. I'll keep it here. We could learn something different. So I thought हर बार मैं कुछ नया करूं ऐसा तो पॉसिबल नहीं होता है, बट आई ट्राई नॉट टू रिपीट माई अरेंजमेंट्स, नॉट टू रिपीट माई फ्लावर्स, नॉट टू रिपीट द डिस्प्ले और द बेस और एनीथिंग. तो मैं कोशिश करती हूँ जितना ज़्यादा हो सकता है उतना ज़्यादा मैं अरेंजमेंट को डिफरेंट बनाऊँ. बट अब अगर नहीं हो पाता है तो फिर वी विल, यू नो, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि किसी चीज़ का सब्सटीट्यूट है ही नहीं हमारे पास, देन वी गो फॉर द अदर स्टेप. इस अरेंजमेंट में बिल्कुल ऐसा ही हुआ है. इस फ्लावर का सब्सटीट्यूट मुझे आज तक मिला नहीं है. मैंने बहुत कोशिश की है कि मुझे कुछ और मिले, बट आई डोंट नो, आई जस्ट लव दिस फ्लावर. सो वो कौन सा फ्लावर है वो मैं आपको अभी बताने वाली हूँ. अभी तो अब विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम, एंड आई वॉन्ट सम हार्ट्स एंड thumbs ups. इधर नहीं होते क्या? Are there any likes or hearts which you can show and appreciate me? Hi or something. Just send me something. No, I just want to see which is there on the screen. Is so empty. YouTube, please change. मुझे नहीं पता बाकी लोग लाइव कैसे जाते हैं, बट अब मेरे सारे वीडियोस इधर ही आएंगे अगर मैं YouTube लाइव को यू नो मुझे समझ आए या मुझे ठीक लगा तो. अदरवाइज वी हैव अदर ऑप्शंस ऑफ कोर्स. So send me hi, send me thumbs up, send me something. Yeah, okay. So आज का जो arrangement है ये मैं बहुत सालों से बनाना चाहती थी. I wanted to do it since quite long, but कहते हैं ना कि वो एक मौका है, एक मौका आता है, एक दस्तूर होता है. तो वही आज वो मौका भी है और दस्तूर भी है कि मुझे कुछ नया करना है. और ये बहुत बहुत टाइम से मुझे ये फ्लावर्स बनाने थे और ये अरेंजमेंट तो मुझे बहुत ही टाइम से बनाना था. ऑफ कोर्स आई विल कीप ऑन कमिंग अप विद मोर अरेंजमेंट्स इन द सेम काइंड ऑफ पॉट, बट ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. इसमें आप काफ़ी कुछ सीखने वाले हैं. देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ स्कोप ऑफ लर्निंग न्यू थिंग्स एंड न्यू वैरायटी ऑफ स्टफ. सो यू गोना learn a lot of new tricks and techniques of making flowers और काफ़ी नई नई चीज़ें आप इसमें सीखेंगे. So without wasting any time, without any delays, let's not waste any time, and now I'll reveal the course. So आज का कोर्स का नाम है स्प्रिंग अरेंजमेंट 2026. और इससे पहले मैं एक स्प्रिंग अरेंजमेंट लेकर आई थी जो कि था 2020 में. सो इफ़ यू सी इट्स क्वाइट अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस ऑफ टाइम दैट आई हैव कम अप with this vast course. और जैसे वो स्प्रिंग अरेंजमेंट के लिए आपने मुझे ओवरवेलमिंग रिस्पॉन्स दिया था, बहुत सारे लोगों ने सीखा था, बहुत अच्छे से लोगों ने बनाया था, एंड काफ़ी सारा बाइफर्केशन था उस कोर्स में करने के लिए. तो उसी तरीके से इस कोर्स के लिए भी मैं बहुत सारा वैरायटी लेकर आई हूँ, एंड इट्स दिस अरेंजमेंट इज़ लुकिंग ऑसम ऑसम. सो द कोर्स इज़ दिस. It's a beautiful course arranged in a basket. It's a nice basket. अब वो उसका handle छुप गया है, दिख नहीं रहा है, or else I have a handle also at the back. You can see how gorgeous the flower looks. मुझे बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आ रहा था at the end कि मैं fillers किसके डालूँ. Then ये जितने भी आप blue flowers देख रहे हैं, these are known as plumbagos. They are native to the tropical countries. Basically it's from Brazil and other places where it comes in a creeper formation. They fall and they're beautiful flowers. So मैं इन blue flowers की जगह वैंडा orchids डालने वाली थी पहले, but अब क्योंकि वैंडा मैंने अलग से सिखा दिया है, you can, people who have learned वैंडा with me, they can replace this blue with the vanda flowers also. They look gorgeous. I mean मैंने ऐसे ही imagine किया था ये arrangement. So this is the course. It's called the Spring Arrangement 2026, where you have some beautiful flowers to learn. So I'll just hold the basket from the bottom. God, it's very difficult, it's quite heavy. So here you have the amaryllis, and amaryllis you will learn in two variations. One is red and the other one is pink. I'll also teach you white amaryllis, but it hardly has anything to learn, so anything to look different. So you'll learn amaryllis in 3 color variations. Then you have the beautiful jarberas. That also you will learn in 3 variation. One is the orange, the other one is the pink, and then you have the white. Beautiful, gorgeous jarberas. I have taken a lot of time in making the jarberas. Many people have asked me all these years. जब से मैंने clay flower journey शुरू किया है, people have been constantly asking me about जरबरा बनाओ, लो जी बना दिए जरबरा. So jarberas are beautiful. I'll teach you in 3 different variations. One is the orange, as you can see how gorgeous it looks. The other one is the pink, and then you have the white. So jarberas you have the beautiful morning glories, which many people have done with me in the basic series, basic course. But here you learn a different way of making the flower. तो वैसा ही है, but the arrangement is very different, so it's a one win-win for everybody. So you have the beautiful morning glories, then you have the plumbagos. These are the filler flowers. They look like hydrangea in a bunch. They're beautiful, gorgeous. In fact, I'll show you. I have one here in my hand. That's the plumbago. It's gorgeous, beautiful. Just look at the details from the back. This is so gorgeous. So देखने में लग नहीं रहा है, but it has a lot of work to do. So then you have the plumbago, and you have the Xanadu leaves also. You can see the Xanadu leaves. You can just you can just take the leaves, bunch them together, make the arrangement. You can just bunch the Xanadu leaf in a pot, and your arrangement is ready. It's like a home decor kind of environment. Sorry, why am I saying environment? It's like a home plant which you can just make and keep. सिर्फ Xanadu भी अच्छा लगता है. देखिए, this is the Xanadu, and then you have the most required, most asked arrangement, which is हज़ारों लोग मुझे पूछते थे पैर कब बनाओगे. तो ये है आपका पैर अरेंजमेंट, और आपको बिल्कुल ऐसे ही सीखने को मिलेगा जैसे कि ये ब्रांच पे है. नाउ दिस इज़ हाउ द पैर लुक लाइक. आप उसकी डिटेल्स देखिए. लीव्स हैं, ब्रांचेस हैं, देन यू हैव द अरेंजमेंट. द एंटायर थिंग इज़ एज गॉर्जियस एज इट लुक्स. सो यू हैव द पैर, देन यू हैव amaryllis बोल दिया मैंने, morning glory बोल दिया. Yes, so this is the arrangement. Then you have many filler flowers and leaves and foliages which you're going to learn in this, and beautiful. So this is all joined together to make this gorgeous arrangement. Isn't it gorgeous? It's beautiful. Don't miss the focal flower, the beautiful amaryllis. As you can see, they are so gorgeous. Now if you have learned flowers, if you know how to do them, you can replace the flowers, you can make any kind of arrangement as you want. But एक तरीका है बनाने का, सीखने का, उस पे हम ज़्यादा फोकस करते हैं. Now my background is filled with flowers, so you hardly can see the flowers, but this is gorgeous. I'll keep it a little near and like this, so that you guys can see this arrangement. Beautiful arrangement. I've been waiting since quite long to make the amaryllis, and I tried 3 times to arrange it into just accommodate into some arrangement, and I could teach people how to make the amaryllis, but नहीं हो पा रहा था, नहीं मिल पा रहा था. This is the time when you can make it. Now coming back to the course, कोर्स की डिटेल्स मैं आपको दे चुकी हूँ. इसके अलावा हमारे पास बहुत लिमिटेड स्टॉक है. जैसा कि आप सब लोग जानते हैं, चाइनीज़ न्यू ईयर चालू है, और ये बहुत लिमिटेड है हमारे पास. पता नहीं मैंने कहाँ रख दिया है टिश्यू पेपर. एनीवेज, मटेरियल बहुत लिमिटेड है हमारे पास. हमें जल्दी बुकिंग करनी होगी ताकि हमारा स्टॉक रहे. Vanda के venas are now in stock. We have received the consignment just last week only. So Vanda venas are now in stock. They got out of stock in the month when I published the course in the month of January. सब खत्म हो गए थे. Everything was over. Now we have the venas and you can book it. This is the material kit for this course, the spring arrangement. This is the basic material kit. ये basic material kit है जो कि आपको मेरे पास मिल जाएगी जब तक मेरे पास स्टॉक रहेगा. तो इस मटेरियल किट में आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा, व्हाट ऑल यू हैव इन हियर. वी डोंट नीड अ लॉट ऑफ कटर्स हियर. आप देखेंगे प्लुम्बागो जो है ये मैंने हाथ से बनाया है. द इंटायर पेयर ब्रांच इज मेड विद हैंड, सो नो कटर्स यूज्ड. You need cutters for Amaryllis, you need cutters for Morning Glory, you need cutters for Xanadu. पेयर के जो लीव्स हैं वो आप किसी भी कटर से बना सकते हैं. आई हैव टॉट 3-4 डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस ऑफ मेकिंग द पेयर लीव्स विद डिफरेंट कटर्स. सो यू हैव रोज़ कटर, आप लीफ यूज़ करके बना सकते हैं. इफ़ यू हैव सनफ्लावर कटर यू कैन यूज़ इट एंड मेक इट. जरबेरा पूरा का पूरा मैंने क्रिजांथेमम कटर्स से बनाया है और डेजी के प्लंजर्स से बनाया है. सो इसमें आपको नहीं खर्चा करना पड़ेगा. Amaryllis veiner is a very beautiful veiner. It's a different style of veiner, and many people have taken Cymbidium orchid course with me last year. Whomsoever having Cymbidium orchid veiner, that's the Amaryllis veiner. This is the Amaryllis veiner, so you don't need to invest there also. People who have already done Amaryllis with Cymbidium with me. So many things I have repeated. फिर भी किट में आपको क्या क्या मिलेगा. If you book a kit with me, then these are the 3 cutters which you are going to get. The Morning Glory cutter, the Xanadu leaf cutter which is a set of 3, and you get the Amaryllis cutter. 3 cutters you will be getting in the basic kit. Apart from that, आपको अगर सिर्फ Amaryllis बनाना है तो आप ये लॉन्ग लीफ कटर अलग से परचेज कर सकते हो. यू कैन गिव मी एन ऑप्शन. व्हेन यू आस्क मी अबाउट द मटेरियल लिस्ट, आई विल सेंड यू अ डिटेल्ड लिस्ट एंड प्राइजेस फॉर एवरीथिंग ऑन व्हाट्सएप. तो ये लॉन्ग लीफ कटर है, जस्ट इन केस अगर आपको सिंगल अरेंजमेंट बनानी है तो. यू नीड रिक्वायर्ड वायर्स. दीज आर द रिक्वायर्ड वायर्स. स्मॉल पैक. देन यू हैव 2 packs of clay. I know 2 pack इसके लिए बहुत नहीं होगा, but this is what the kit contains. That's the basic material kit to start. It's a starter kit. Later on, as and when you proceed further, you can just go through. And इसके अलावा you will get a hydrangea leaf veiner. You will get the Amaryllis petal veiner. You will get the mint leaf double-sided veiner. This is the double-sided veiner, and you will get the daisy center mold. तो ये आपका बेसिक किट होगा. देर आर वेरी 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 लिमिटेड स्टॉक फॉर द कटर्स, स्पेशली वेनर्स. आई स्टिल हैव, आई कैन स्पेयर अ फ्यू, but cutters I don't have stock for. So if you want to book the course, just make sure that you book it on time so that you can get the materials as soon as possible. Also, we deliver across the globe. Last week only we have sent 2 couriers, one to New Zealand, the other one to Singapore, and in December we have sent 1 courier to Canada, Toronto, I'm not sure, Vancouver, I'm not sure. Anyway, so this we supply everywhere. So ये material kit के साथ साथ one very very important thing this time I have kept in mind is to make the samples. Now many people come to me and they say अगर हमारे पास आपके बनाए हुए flower samples होते हैं, it becomes very easy for us to understand the color pattern. Though the tutorials are everything, like you will see everything over there. Samples तो आज हैं, हो सकता है 5 साल के बाद आपको samples ना मिले, but if you have the sample, it becomes very easy to match the color variations, to see the size of the product, to see if the veiners are coming nice or not. So samples are very important, and this time I have kept in mind that I have to make samples in such a way कि आपको वो samples लेने के बाद जब आप अपने arrangement बनाएंगे, you get the entire knowledge. It's not only flowers, it's the entire stock that I'm giving. So that's the sample kit, and it's available. I have only made 10 pieces, so not a lot of it. So please be quick before you decide. सब चला ना जाए. मैंने सिर्फ 10 ही बनाए हैं और बनाने की मेरी कोई इच्छा नहीं है. If you give me orders, definitely I'll make it, but I don't have any intention of making the samples. So ये हमारे samples हैं. अच्छे से पैक करके मैं भेजती हूँ. There is no chance of breakage or anything. So sample includes, first of all, the most important flower is the Amaryllis, and yeah, I have not made the real size, the standard size which I have used. I try to make as small as possible so that it's easy for me to ship, and you need a little idea. Fine. So Amaryllis I have made this small. My Amaryllis size is this big, so it's quite big if you see. So yeah, amaryllis, one you have amaryllis entirely, पीछे से आगे से पेंट में, कलर में, वेरिएशन में, टेक्सचर में, everything you will find the same, only the size is the difference. So you have one, I'm tried and made smaller one. This is a smaller version. The bigger version looks like this. That's the smaller version. So gerbera, people call it garbara also, I don't know why. Then you have the plumbago. Plumbago also I have tried to accommodate one flower, one leaf, and a bud attached in a stalk. How I have taught in the video, like that only I have attached on a stalk and gave the sample. Then you have the Xanadu. Xanadu is a single leaf, एक ही single leaf बनेगा. So this is the smaller size of Xanadu. Then you have the morning glory. Now many people have done morning glory already. Morning glory looks like this. It's one flower, one bud. There is one green bud, if you see. This is the green bud. That's the colored bud, little bigger. Then you have this trail, the tendril or the vine. You can see how gorgeous it looks. Then you have one leaf and one flower. So it's a set of everything which is attached on a stalk, covered with clay properly as I have taught in the video. So even the flower has calyx on it at the back. So it's a complete one stalk which I'm going to give you in the sample kit. Then you have the most beautiful one, which is the pear. Can you see how gorgeous it looks? So the brown, the coloring, the dots, the pear, the stalk, the leaf, everything you will get. This is one pear branch. So this is the sample kit which I'm going to give you. I'll try to make as many samples as possible in the future courses also, and I'll try to incorporate the flowers in such a way, instead of just giving one flower, one leaf just like that only hanging somewhere. This is the best way to show to people that this is how the flower looks like, and see how gorgeous it is. राइट. सो टेंड्रिल्स भी लोग नहीं बना पाते, हमसे नहीं बन रहे हैं, बहुत मोटे हो जा रहे हैं. व्हेन यू हैव दिस सैम्पल इन योर हैंड, इट विल बी वेरी ईजी फॉर यू टू कंपेयर योर वर्क, टू सी वेयर यू आर गोइंग रॉन्ग, to have that confidence in you to, again I have lost my tissue paper or what, yeah, see, uh, to see whether you're going right or wrong, and wherever the point of correction. Sometimes you don't need to ask me also. जब आपके पास sample होगा, it will be so easy for anybody, people who are taking the course, people who are not taking the course. If you have a sample in your hand, it becomes so easy for you to compare the work from yours and mine, or whatever, wherever you're going right. So that's how the sample looks like. It's beautiful. It's one single branch into which you have all the steps of making the morning glory. So like that only, this is the sample kit. I have made only 10, so book it as soon as possible before it is completely gone. If I sit and make it more, it will take time. I will make it definitely, but I can't make it overnight. So right now I have this, that's the sample kit. The arrangement is already shown. If you have any questions, any doubt, anything you want to ask me related to the course, related to clay, please feel free to ask me. This arrangement is made with our new clay. I'll show you. I have made everything with our new clay only. As you can see, this one, just see the flexibility of the clay. This is beautiful, and with time it will become even more flexible. So yes, so you can see how gorgeous this clay is. Now our clay is flexible. It's the new clay, and April we are going to get our new stock, so the clay prices are going to drop a little bit. That's the new clay pack. One in the kit you will get two, but for the entire arrangement you need more than 1.5 kgs of clay. So for now you can start the work. As and when you proceed further, you can take more clay if you wish to. So that's the clay, and that's how the course looks like. It's very flexible. As you can see, I have made the entire thing using the new clay. I'll show you some other flower. I don't want to take any chances with the amaryllis, but I can show you. See how bendable this clay is, and it'll come to the same look later on. So that's how the clay is. So yeah guys, this was the course all about. I have my WhatsApp number in the description. I couldn't see any pinned comment section over here, so I couldn't do it. I'll show you the arrangement once again. Be ready for the marathon. Register for this course as soon as possible because I have very limited stock for the cutters. This is how the arrangement looks like. This is the string arrangement. If you have any questions, please do feel free to ask me. I'll take up some questions. Beautiful, beautiful. What is beautiful? Flowers or me? Swapnil is saying awesome arrangement. Thank you, Swapnil. So beautiful. Eagerly waiting. Uh, okay. So, can I pin a comment over here by any chance? Let me just see if I can pin a comment. I can just pin my WhatsApp. Um, I can't see any comment section over here. Okay, I'm very new to the YouTube feed, so of course. So yeah, contest एक बार फिर से मैं बता दूँ. People who are taking this course, please most welcome. Take the course, make the flowers, follow the rules of the contest. What are they? I will tell you once you contact me on WhatsApp. I'll share all the details with you. Uh, Participate in the contest, and then there is another big surprise for you guys. There are two different arrangements, individual arrangements, which I'm going to give you as a free gift, as a gift for the contest winners. So book for the course, make the arrangement, participate in the contest, and take that free tutorial what I'm going to give you. There you will learn the red amaryllis along with the entire arrangement. Now I'm not going to disclose more, but this is a cherry on the cake. Those arrangements are even better than this one, so they're more gorgeous. I'm not going to show you whatever it is, but participate in the contest and win the gifts. So guys, this is what the live feed was all about. This is the course launch. This is me, Poonam, from Paint and Clay Studio. That's our new course. This is the spring arrangement 2026, and this is how it looks. Gorgeous flowers, amazing arrangement, and a lot of things to learn from. So this is me, Poonam, signing off today from the live. I hope you guys can uh, um, book your seat as soon as possible and book the kit before they're gone. So see you again. Bye bye. How to close this?